Imagine holding the future of creative storytelling in the palm of your hand, a tiny device capable of turning your everyday moments into cinematic adventures. This is not just another gadget. This is a glimpse into what the next generation of action cameras could become. The DJI Osmo Action 6, still unreleased, still shrouded in mystery, has already captured the world's attention. It's the kind of product that turns speculation into obsession because every leak, every whisper points to something revolutionary. And in today's deep dive, we're going to uncover everything, every rumor, every design change, every technological leap that could redefine how we capture the world around us. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an in-depth journey through the story of DJI's most anticipated innovation yet. From the mountains to the ocean, from city lights to midnight trails, this is the story of the DJI Osmo Action 6, the camera that might just change the rules of filmmaking forever. Let's start with what really grabs attention, the sensor. For years, creators have begged for a true leap in image quality, and it looks like DJI is finally listening. Reports suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive jump from the 1.3-inch found in the Action 5 Pro. That may sound like a small difference on paper, but in the world of imaging, it's enormous. A larger sensor means more light, richer color depth, and dramatically improved low-light performance. Imagine filming under city neon or deep in the forest at dusk, every flicker, every reflection captured in stunning clarity. It's like upgrading from a smartphone to a cinema camera that fits in your pocket. Leaked footage from early prototypes suggests a noticeable improvement in shadow detail, dynamic range, and color balance. Even skin tones appear more natural, less digital. This alone could set the Action 6 miles ahead of its competition, especially GoPro's next-gen Hero 13 and Insta360's X4. But DJI isn't stopping at the sensor. They're reportedly pushing the limits of resolution and frame rate, offering 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 3K at 60, and a buttery-smooth 4K at 120 frames per second. For slow-motion enthusiasts, that's a dream come true. Ultra-detailed cinematic footage with stunning motion fluidity. And yes, 1080p at 240 FPS is still rumored to be there for those ultra-slow cinematic sequences. What's more, DJI's image pipeline is said to be powered by a brand new Image Core X processor, designed to handle 8K encoding without overheating or frame drops. This new chip also unlocks advanced AI features, scene recognition, automatic, HDR tuning, and instant exposure compensation, all in real time. Think about that. No more blown-out skies or crushed blacks. The camera literally thinks and adjusts faster than you can blink. Now, stabilization. This is where DJI has always crushed the competition. Their Rocksteady system was a game-changer, and now they're rumored to be introducing Rocksteady 4.0 with AI Horizon Steady Plus, a stabilization suite that combines motion prediction algorithms with gyro analysis. The result? Perfectly smooth footage, no matter how rough your movements get. Imagine sprinting through a forest, riding a mountain, bike down a rocky trail, or diving into waves. Every shot looks like it was filmed on a professional gimbal. DJI's engineers reportedly used machine learning to analyze thousands of action scenarios, teaching the algorithm to predict movement and adjust in real time. So instead of correcting after a shake happens, it anticipates it, like a co-pilot that knows every bump before you hit it. Add full 360-degree horizon leveling, and you could literally rotate the camera mid-shot while the horizon stays perfectly steady. That's not just stabilization, that's digital sorcery. Now let's talk design, because aesthetics matter, especially when your audience is full of creators who care about both performance and style. The Osmo Action 6 continues DJI's trend of rugged elegance. Leaked design renders show a slightly refined body, compact yet muscular, with smoother edges, a metallic gray finish, and a reinforced lens housing that screams durability. The dual touchscreens are reportedly brighter than ever, with OLED panels that cut through sunlight glare. Front and back displays both offer touch control, allowing vloggers to frame shots perfectly without flipping the camera. And according to insiders, DJI has improved the touch responsiveness and interface animations, making everything feel buttery smooth. No lag, no stutter. For extreme sports enthusiasts, the camera is said to be waterproof up to 20 meters without a housing, That's double what most competitors manage. Combine that with improved dust and impact resistance, and you've got a device ready for snow, surf, or sand. DJI also redesigned the lens cover using a new anti-scratch sapphire coating, plus a hydrophobic layer to repel water droplets, meaning clearer underwater shots and rain-proof clarity. And let's not ignore one of the most requested features, magnetic mounting. DJI is refining its modular system with stronger magnetic locks and new mounting accessories that let you snap and shoot instantly, whether you're attaching to a bike, helmet, or drone. Powering all of this is the rumored 1950 mAh Intelligent battery engineered to deliver up to 4 hours of 4K recording on a single charge. That's right, 4 hours. If true, this would be a huge leap over the Action 5 and GoPro's best. How? DJI's new battery reportedly uses a layered thermal control design, dissipating heat faster and reducing voltage drop under heavy load. It also supports fast charging, taking you from 0 to 80% in just 18 minutes, perfect for on-the-go creators who can't afford downtime. Imagine hiking through a national park, your camera rolling for hours, while a quick coffee stop gives you another full battery cycle. That's freedom. Connectivity has also seen some love. Expect Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and potentially USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for high-speed data transfer. DJI's rumored companion app update will allow live streaming directly to YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook in 4K, all from your camera, no laptop needed. Add GPS and smartwatch integration, and you've got full control from your wrist. Early leaks even mention Apple Watch compatibility, letting you start or stop recording, check battery life, or even preview footage on your watch face. It's these small details that turn a good camera into a great one. Storage has always been a pain point, but DJI seems to have learned from the past. The Action 6 is expected to feature 47 GB of built-in storage, along with support for up to 1 TB micro SD cards. Combine that with the ultra-fast transfer speeds of Wi-Fi 6, and your workflow becomes seamless. No cables, no waiting. Shoot, transfer, and edit. For creators on the move, that's a game changer. Now let's talk thermal design, because anyone who's ever recorded long clips in 4K knows the pain of overheating. DJI is reportedly tackling that with a new vapor chamber cooling system, similar to what high-end smartphones use. This internal heat management ensures consistent performance even during long 8K recordings. Imagine filming in the desert, the sun blazing, and your camera still rolling without breaking a sweat. That's what DJI is aiming for. Another exciting rumor is the AI auto-framing feature, similar to what DJI's Pocket series uses. This feature tracks your face or subject in the frame automatically, keeping them centered even if they move. Perfect for solo vloggers who don't have a cameraman. Just set it on a tripod, and it follows your every move. Add voice control commands, like start recording, take photo, or switch mode, and you've got a truly hands-free creative tool. Now let's compare it directly with its biggest rival, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro's legacy is strong, but the rumor mill suggests the Hero 13 still uses a smaller sensor, limited to 5.3K. Meanwhile, DJI's rumored 8K capability and 1-inch sensor instantly leapfrog that. Battery life?